ready yet? Wait.
Guys, it's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. Today we are going to turn these boring black eyebrows into these bomb ass orange eyebrows, you know, basically to match my hair. So today I'm going to show you guys how to get orange eyebrows or any color eyebrows without having to bleach your eyebrows, basically. So today we're going to be using the NYX 3-in-1 brow pencil. It has a crayon, and this is in the color auburn, but to me it's like orange. So yeah, the first side is this beautiful crayon. You know, it glides on your eyebrow very, you know, easily. I love this product. Then on the other side it has this smudger. I'm not really sure what this is called, but it helps get all of the, you know, the hairs in place. Like, I just love this hair. And the last item on this is the mascara, which actually coats all of the hair evenly to where you won't even see any more black. As you guys can see, it's very pigmented, and you won't really see any more, you know, black hairs poking out or anything. So basically guys, I'm just doing my eyebrows like I normally would do. And the reason why I'm doing this color is because my hair is similar to this color, and I didn't want black eyebrows, so I said, why don't I just do, you know, my eyebrows, you know, the same color as my hair. And guys, you really don't have to bleach your eyebrows. You know, if you want to, you can, if you don't want to do this every day. But you know, I'm not gonna have this color every day, so that's why I'm using this. And this was a good $12.99 at Target. So definitely check this out, guys. They do have other colors like black, medium brown, brown, and other colors as well. I wish they had a lot of colors because I love doing different color eyebrows, and this pencil is amazing. You can honestly use anything, guys. Also, you don't have to buy this. You can use any, you know, thing to do colorful eyebrows. You could use lip crayons, you can use anything, lipstick, whatever you like, honestly, guys. So yeah, I'm just smudging it on. As you guys see, I used the crayon first, and then I'm just smudging this on. It kind of holds everything in place. And now I'm using the eyebrow mascara. As you can see, look at that. It coats the, sorry guys, I was on the phone. But as you can see, it coats my black hairs perfectly. Look at that. No more black. You know, it's amazing. So I'm gonna just clean these up using my Makeup Revolution concealer in C12. Okay, and I'm going to be using also a Morphe eyebrow brush from the bronze set. It doesn't have a number. It just makes my eyebrows really neat, you know. And after this, guys, it's basically self-explanatory. You know, it's pretty easy, simple. You would do your eyebrows the same exact way like you would on a regular, you know, makeup application, regular day. And if you have to, what I like about this product is, you know, it stays in place. It really does. It stays in place. And I might have to go back for the other colors because no matter what happens, it really stays in place, and I love that. And yeah, I would say give this a try. I will leave the link to this product if I can find it. But like I said, I did buy it in store, so we'll see. But as you guys can see, look how, you know, nicely coated they are. You know, they're really amazing. So definitely give this a try, guys, you know.
cannot say what this shorty gon' say. I cannot play any games all day long. I cannot listen to too many songs. I just do my thing all alone. Well,